Imagine strolling into ancient Rome as a skeleton wielding a buzzing chainsaw. The locals freeze, then bolt, except for one daring senator who mistakes it for an exotic pet grooming tool. Soon, Roman citizens line up for chainsaw haircuts, expecting luxury trims but getting what can only be described as Caesar salad meets horror movie. The emperor, impressed by the chaotic new style, declares the skeleton his royal stylist. Power shifts instantly. Whoever controls the chainsaw controls the city's trendiest mains and everyone's nerves.